I want to show you something. This is what happened when I took a free PLR document, turned it into a video product, and listed it. Real sales from content I didn't even write. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. So what is PLR? PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and this is content that you buy with permission to modify, brand and use as your own. Depending on the license, you can edit it, put your name on it, sell it, give it away, or use it as part of your marketing without creating the content from scratch. So this is what I did. I took a PLR product. It's this document here, and it's called Discover How ChatGPT Can Transform Your Email Marketing. So this document is 24 pages. So I went through it and I created a series of videos from it. So I looked at each title, each chapter, and I basically replicated that in video, and I used ChatGPT in all the examples here as well that they've given. So for example, this section here, let ChatGPT brag a little. I've created a video from this, so if we now look at my video files, we can see video number 2 is called Let ChatGPT Brag a Little. So in this document, the author is feeding some prompts into ChatGPT, and he's documenting everything he's doing. So for this particular chapter here, create an email marketing plan, he has put the prompts he's using here. So you can see here, these ones here, for instance, this one where it says, excellent, now I wish to promote a product known as Java Burn to them. So he's feeding that to ChatGPT. So what I'm doing is, I'm doing the same thing. So I've gone into ChatGPT, I fed in that prompt. So what I'm doing is I'm recording myself entering the prompts into ChatGPT, and I'm recording the output as well that ChatGPT is giving me. So I'm doing all that in some screen recording software called Camtasia. So I'm just recording everything I'm doing on screen. So whatever is in the book here that he's typed there, I'm turning into a video example. So where he's saying here, I need you to create a 5-day email marketing campaign, give me a plan where I can share value with my subscribers. That prompt that he's typing in there, I come back into ChatGPT, I put in the same prompt here and I film myself doing it. And that's what becomes the video. The prompt plus the response that ChatGPT has given me. And now I'll just show you the video that was created. So I'm going to put in, I need you to create a 5-day email marketing campaign. Give me a plan where I can share value with my subscribers and warm them up to Java Burn. My ultimate goal will be to promote Java Burn on day 5. I don't need the full emails, just the plan and outline in point format. So I'm going to send that off now to ChatGPT and let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so you get the idea. I've just taken what's in the Word document, the PLR product, and I've made a screen recording doing exactly what he's doing here, entering the prompt into ChatGPT and looking at the output. I also used PowerPoint slides when I created the video presentations. So for example, here we can see I've created a slide called Create an Email Marketing Plan, and if I look at the videos, video 3 is called Create an Email Marketing Plan. So if I open that up, we're going to start looking at creating an email marketing plan. So let's assume for a moment the products, you'll find it at Java. So that's the slide that I have there. So you can see on the video here, if I now come into PowerPoint, you can see here I've used a slide for that. And in the PLR document, we can see the same topic is there, create an email marketing plan. And I put it onto the PowerPoint slide. But I've not copied it word for word. I've changed it a little bit. So you can see here, this is a highly relevant and sought after product. And I've changed it to this product is in high demand and holds significant relevance. So instead of just copying and pasting directly from the Word document, I've just made some changes just to put my own flavor on it. It's a combination of recording the screen when you're entering your ChatGPT prompts and also combining that with PowerPoint slides, and that gives you a very engaging, interesting video. Now, before I packaged all the videos up and created a sales page for everything, I decided I needed a title for the whole package. Now, the document here, as you can see, is called Discover How ChatGPT Can Transform Your Email Marketing, but I decided I wanted my own title. So I asked ChatGPT to come up with a few ideas, and in the end, we settled on Elevate Your Email Marketing with ChatGPT. And this was the sales page that I created for the product. And a lot of this text was actually written by ChatGPT. So I'll just scroll through it here and show you. And I priced the product at $9.97. Now, there's a site called MunchEye, which you'll find at muncheye.com. And this is where everyone lists their products which are going to be released. So it deals with mainly WarriorPlus and JVZoo, although there are a few other networks here. So I listed my product on here. And what happens is when you list it, you'll get people applying to be affiliates for your product so that they can sell it for you and get a commission. And here is the listing for my product on the 13th of May. And here you can see some of the affiliates that I got. So all these people have applied to sell my product. So they'll get a commission and I'll get a commission. So this is how I set it up in WarriorPlus. So I have the main offer here. And then when they purchase that, they get sent to an upsell, which is this one here, how to make money with ChatGPT. And then there's another upsell as well, and this one is called Partner with Me. So you have 3 chances to make sales, to make money with this funnel that I created. And notice also it says with white label rights for the main product and the upsell product. Now, white label rights is just a fancy name for PLR. So in some cases you can sell more if you give them white label or PLR rights. And it finally went live, and I was quite pleased that I made quite a few sales, both of the main product and of the upsell. So it got 34 sales and it almost got to $400, almost, and no refunds. So I was pretty pleased with that. So I'm just going to summarize what I did. So I took a free PLR document. I then screen recorded various chapters of that document, and there were examples in there of ChatGPT. So I recorded those ChatGPT examples from the book, and I screen captured what I was doing as I was typing in the prompts. I also added PowerPoint slides of text from the different chapters, and then I created video files. I created a sales page, and I added the product onto WarriorPlus. I also added the listing onto MunchEye, and then I launched the product and I made sales. And the total cost of doing this was $0. If you found this useful, feel free to subscribe. I make videos around digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and building online income in practical ways based on what's actually worked for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.